drawing those parallels. And your son had a conversation along those lines. Tell us about that.
Well, he would, Michael was close to Marlon Brando. In fact, Marlon Brando and I and Michael used to hang out together in LA in the days when Michael was very healthy, actually. And he would frequently joke, and he did that frequently with my son. He said, I'd rather go out like Elvis than Marlon. In fact, he would say that to Marlon Brando.
He doesn't have a recording, I understand, that he's made. It's probably his last ever recording.
Yeah, I have that recording. It's a music, it's a composition of music, and we're planning to write lyrics about global warming and the environment, and how he was talking about how the trees are our lungs, and how the air is our breath, and how the rivers and waters are our circulation, and the earth is our body, and how we have a personal body, an extended body, and they're both ours. It was very beautiful. These discussions were